Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are playing Krunker. So go to servers. I'm here with my brother. Which one has the least? Sydney. Do you see Sydney? It's right there. Press it in 3, 2, 1. Did you press it? No, you press the quick join. Are you at the little town one? This one? Okay, it just changed. Yeah, I don't think we're in the same one. Wait, just see?
Oh, wait.
Wait, mine was that, but it just changed. Yeah, we're not in the same one. It's W. Go to servers again.
Where's your team?
Yeah, yours is teams, but go to servers. Press Tokyo. Do you see it at the bottom? That third to bottom for you. Press it. Right here, the blue. It says quick join. Yeah, press that. Okay.
Do you have the screen?
I'm in the little town. Okay, so you're gonna use that one. Okay, press click to play. We're in the same one. Are you red?
Yeah, I forgot how to get to see.
I already got a kill the second I joined. Oh, you press tab. You use like.
No, I don't.
Oh, I hit him last second. Tab. And you can see I am not last. I'm guest number 6. Oh yeah, I think there was like a virus that got to
Yes, I got
my laptop, and I had to reset it, so it's no longer there, but it reset all my Krunker.
Why did you get virus?
I don't know. I don't know how I got it
No,
either.
the panda bear. It's so good. Try to kill him.
How am I missing these? I'm on it. Wait, is that you? Did I just kill you? Wait, I did just kill you. Yeah, guess number 6. I have to change that after this match. Actually, should I let the comments change, like choose my name?
Maybe.
Okay. I do something that has to go with a right click, but you don't. You have those. You can't aim with those. They're just way too OP.
I'm gonna change my team.
Wait, I wanna try killing them.
Where's the sniper?
Oh, top. Or there's 2 snipers actually.
I just took this rocket launcher.
I don't really like the rocket launcher.
Ooh, I took damage by shooting myself.
What? You stopped moving? Oh, he jumped. Hey. I kind of want to knife you. Oh, wait, I accidentally shot 2 times. I was trying to shoot one other time, then I was gonna knife you, but didn't work. Aw, that would have been so cool for an end. Well, which one do you want to do? The first one?
The ice one.
The ice one? Okay. I know where the secret place. I could show you where the secret place is. Yeah. Okay, so we're finally in. We're the red. No,
You can
we're winning. I'm with the panda. Yeah, sure, look. This is the secret room, right here.
Which team are you on?
That's not the same team as you.
I'm green. What team are you?
Do you see anybody's name? Look at somebody's name. Who did you die to? Oh, that's a pretty. No, we're on a different team. Where is everyone though? I literally don't see anyone. Aww. Finally. Where did he go? Kill him. Kill him. Good job. You got your first kill. He's guest number 6. He has 100. Oh, you killed me too.
What can I say except you're welcome?
Don't play copyrighted. Oh, I just clicked someone in midair. Or it looked like midair. Didn't say midair, but it was midair. No! Why would you do that? That should be illegal. Sniper rifle killed you? What? I missed.
Wait, what? You
Wait, where are
You're
you?
not on team?
Oh, I just got killed again. How am I getting killed so much? Shit, we're winning. Like, barely, though.
Killed by the bear that has a crown on.
Panda.
I'm wanting to just kill you. I'm searching.
Why was he shooting over there? Oh, if that wasn't my teammate. Ooh. He would have been dead.
Does he have?
Oh, I saw you too.
Yeah!
Okay, guys. So, my brother's no longer with me anymore. Oh, wait, I hit that. Okay. And, there's somebody has R5. Okay. I'm just gonna go profile. And then who am I? I'm still guest number 5. I think maybe after I die. Did register or log in? I don't know. Yes, it worked. Okay, well, I'm back now. Got him. Oh, okay. Do we get it? Yeah. You guys fight him. Oh my god. I'm the world's greatest sniper. And I got... Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so if I'm on my other account, yes, up here, and then enter into the submachine gun. I got Blood Moon. It's also epic, so it's pretty cool. The shotgun, and spruce. Okay, and then we're just gonna go back. We're gonna show you guys the submachine gun. Yeah, okay. The enemy has our flag. There's only 5 seconds left. What am I supposed to do? Reload. No, I don't want to reload. That would not too cool. FFA. Last round, guys. Okay, well, we're gonna change it back to a sniper. That's better. It looks cooler. But we're gonna try out one more round with this. And we killed someone with the sniper. It's like one of those like really fast guns. I kinda like it, but like not really at the same time. Yeah, see, that could happen. Okay, leave a comment. First comment, if we get a comment, they're gonna pick. They're gonna pick 52. 103. Let's go. This is that's the guy who killed me. Yeah, he killed me again. But you guys, the first comment, if I get a comment, it's gonna be the one. If I should change to the submachine gun, the SMG, or the SMG is a submachine gun, guys. Okay. Should I go to submachine gun or a sniper rifle for like a whole video? It's your guys' choice. Headshot. What? That hit his head. Yeah. Let's try something we've never done. Oh wait, we've done all. The crossbow sucks. So let's try that. How do you? Well, at least it's a one shot. I can't even hit trick shots with it. Yeah, it's too hard. Bow man, the sniper rifle man. Best way to snipe. Oh, wait, I'm not there yet, though. No, he was behind me. I didn't know what that sound was. I didn't know if it was a shotgun, because shotguns would have been close range unless you were fighting someone else. Let's go. Why would you do that? It ruined the whole video. Oh yeah. People here though. That missed? Okay, next video I'm going to do only the agent. He has the Uzi, which is gonna be pretty fun. Not really a challenge, but like, I mean, yeah, you can't aim, and I'm used to aiming, and it's pretty close range. Yeah, but it's OP. So the last like 20 seconds, I'm going to be doing this. Okay. Last 10 seconds. Let's see if we could get 2 kills. Got 2. Let's go. I actually did get 2. That's pretty cool. Little first person view. You can see him at the bottom of that. Okay, everybody vote Davis. Okay, well, for the next 10 seconds, I'm just gonna... Okay. Leave in the comments if I should switch, like, from sniper to something. But other than that, bye.